Welcome to VOXCAR. Following is a quick tour including how to add a vehicle and use most of the core features. Click Add a new car now to continue. Getting started with the first step, you enter in essential information like year, make, model for the vehicle, vehicle details, and also purchase information. Of particular importance is the current mileage. And the reason for that is that recommended service intervals will be based upon your current mileage. Over time, as you update service records, you can have the current mileage at the time of service automatically updated if it's included within the service record, or you can manually input it if perhaps you do a modification or service directly yourself. From here, click the Save and Continue button. After you enter your basic information into VOXCAR, you'll be prompted to research the powertrain specs for your specific vehicle. Click the Research button to continue. In this case, there is only one option for the 2019 Ford F-150 Raptor. So I'm going to select the Apply Selected option button. You also have the option here to select the Custom Build button, where you can input the specifics to any modifications you may have done or a previous owner may have done to the vehicle you're inputting. The third step to setting up your vehicle is to research maintenance intervals. VOXCAR can do this automatically for you. Try it out. Select the Research button here. Here we have the output for the service intervals. There's 13 in total for this vehicle. They'll show as to-do items until the service is completed. It does depend upon the mileage, of course. Some service items are, say, over 100,000 miles. In this case, you can choose to accept the intervals. They will then go into your service, your recommended service future, as well as history. If you have a service completed, if you do it yourself, you can manually update the status. If you have the service done by someone else, you can take their service record, upload that image directly into VOXCAR, and the mileage, the service, the parts, the labor, all of that will be parsed correctly, and you'll have a full breakdown and history of the vehicle service. To continue, click the Accept 13 Intervals button. Great, we've got the initial setup complete. Next, we can view the car details and add an image.